To remove the fabrics from the MyFit, start by loosening the harness by pressing on the harness release button and pulling out on both harness straps. Then unbuckle the chest clip and the harness buckle, and remove the shoulder pads. If your MyFit has comfort waist belt pads, remove those as well. To remove the crotch strap pad, undo the snap button and pull the strap out from the harness buckle strap. Lift up on the crotch strap pad to remove. Press the orange button located on the bottom edge of the cup holder and lift up to remove the cup holder. Repeat for the other side. Now, pull the fabric up and around the front and side of the seat. And thread the crotch strap down through the fabric. Then pull the fabric around the harness adjuster strap cover. With the headrest in the highest position, locate the elastic strap on the back of the headrest and unhook by pulling up on the fabric tab. Repeat this step for the other elastic strap. Pull back gently on both plastic tabs at the top of the headrest and pull up on the headrest fabric to remove. Unhook the elastic straps on the back of the MyFit on each side and pull the fabric out from the groove. Unhook all 3 elastic straps from the hooks located inside the vehicle belt path. And repeat on the other side of the seat. Remove the backrest seat pad. Fabrics may be hand-washed with mild soap and water or machine-washed in cold water on delicate cycle using mild detergent. To replace the fabrics of the MyFit, place the headrest fabric pad onto the headrest and tuck the fabric into the groove at the top of the headrest. Ensure the fabric does not obstruct the orange shoulder belt guide. Push down gently on the plastic tabs at the top to snap them into the grooves. Now with the headrest in the highest position, hook the elastic straps onto the back of the headrest on each side. If necessary, use your index finger to guide the elastic loop onto the hook. Place the backrest seat pad around the MyFit and tuck the fabric into the groove. Hook the elastic strap onto the back and repeat on the other side of the seat. Then hook the elastic straps onto the side and top hooks located inside the vehicle belt path. And repeat on the other side of the seat. Place the seat bottom fabric onto the MyFit and pull fabric around the harness adjuster strap cover. Pull the crotch strap through the fabric and pull the fabric down and around the front and sides of the seat. Ensure the fabric is tucked behind the booster mode belt path. Match the R and L for right and left cup holders to their corresponding side of the MyFit relative to the seated child, and insert each cup holder as shown. Make sure they click into place. Now slide the harness buckle up through the crotch strap pad and secure it by snapping the strap through the crotch belt loop. Reattach each shoulder pad. Ensure they are oriented as shown. If your MyFit has comfort waist belt pads, replace them on both sides of the harness waist belt.